Okay, so we have the Volvo Penta, 28 horses, slightly warmed up. The engine did turn or run this morning, but as you can see, I can put my hand on the exhaust system. She's really cooled down. Let's try and start her up. On va démarrer. Right, well that started up pretty quick. Let's go aft or to the back in barge speak. Well, that's pretty good. Have a look down there. Let's try and zoom in because there's a lot of light. Bit of smoke, lots of water for the cooling. What I'm going to do now is go back inside because our vendor is just shutting down the floor panels. That's all looking pretty good. Once the floor panels are down, I'll be able to go back inside and see what the noise levels are. Let's shoes off. Really nice and clean inside here. You might have seen that engine room. As clean as the galley, it really is. Okay, so what we wanted was the noise levels, and frankly, up in that wheelhouse there, I could hardly hear it was going. Bit more noise down here in the saloon, which is really nice. Let's just make our way forward. Now, just to show you, just on tick over there. Let's make our way forward. See what the noise is like. Down here. Wow. I could live with that. Okay, I'll shut this video off. We'll cast off and we'll do a navigation trial.